Menteri rangba kejela ukon rat sangma ha kejing senran lang ka menteri ka koi ke khia ka kong amperin lingdo menteri badai khmi ya katnat PHE Marcus Marang chief secretary uba DP wa lang bat ki be ki he officer ka sarkar jela menta kasngi ka khatwai tarik ukela lingkot aja arpusan kle shong da ka bus ban let jungo ya kashnong street ka bahap hapo jong ka shila bholagan block east khasiels kani ka jinglet jingo ya ka tei ka shnong ka dei ka binta jong ka cabinet retreat ka ba ars ngi ha sora ka jinglet shang shnong siet ka long ban let saki ya ka omkar living root bridge but ban yakandu ya uba happy war ubrio ublas dang ban than ban Pynwan Dur ya ka living root bridge habakran hakmat ki nong shong shnong menteri rangba ulakular ban sumari ki riti dostur but ban pin bahai ki jingtei ulapin pau ke jingkrau jong ka living root bridge ka balong ka dak jong ka jing start bat ka jing yetli jong ki long shwa man shwa Hally war ula Thain ya ka ni ka jingking na du badang khenna ula ong ba ka jingmut ka wan na ki apartment ban thau ka bane bat ka ban pin song ki brio menteri rangba ula yaro ya ka jingtri shitom jong ka shnong bat ula pin bana project thamai kum ka jingtei surong pin bha school bat kinti ka kam jingo kai perthei da ka basumar ya ka kolshor bat ka maryang jong ka Thain.
So we are here as part of our cabinet retreat in Sage Village, and we have come to see this beautiful living root bridge, which has been constructed by the headman out here since he was 10 years old. And it has taken more than 40 years for this to take shape of what we are seeing right now. 50 years plus it has taken, and the work is still going on. And I think if you can see on top, the second phase or the second level of a natural skywalk, I should say, is also being constructed. And this is really a testament of the knowledge that has been passed on from generations and the tradition that has been followed, and this reflective of the belief for the people to sustain and maintain our environment. And this is, I think, one of the best examples of bringing in tradition, sustainability, art and technology all together. As mentioned, that this is not constructing a bridge, but this is actually weaving a bridge. And it's amazing to see that there are bridges like these which are 300 years old. And it is a great experience for all of us as cabinet ministers and officials to be here today. And I really would like to thank the village headmen and all the villagers out here for having organized this wonderful program for us. And we are also happy to announce that we will be providing sufficient infrastructure in terms of road connectivity and tourism development, so that we are able to promote this culture and this entire place in a way that the tourists from all over the country and the world can experience the true values and nature and this experience of this village as well as of Meghalaya state. So once again, I thank all of you for organizing this wonderful program. Thank you very much.
CM uang ba ulayo ilupa ya kata kancing dawa jong kalintiyat ka jongi kakapor kabangiyat dakikali ki jongi hado kate kajaka bahabyar banya dekachan bayapi enai kasurok pat penbahano ya kate kasurok.
Thank you.